Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers' demand. The beautiful tiny house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is width is 23 feet, in meter 7 meter, and the length is 13 feet, in meter 4 meter. There is a sliding door here and we will go inside. So we have living cum dining area in the center. Size of the living cum dining area is 8 feet 8 inches into 12 feet 4 inches, in meter 2.64 into 3.75 meter. You can see here the dining counter, and we will go inside. So we have sofa arrangement and tea table arrangement. On the right side we have kitchen. The size of the kitchen is 5 feet into 6 feet, in meter 1.52 into 1.82 meter. You can see here the burner, sink and also refrigerator arrangement, and a large size window for ventilation of this kitchen. And we will go inside. So we have common use washroom plus water closet here. The size of the washroom is 5 feet into 6 feet, in meter 1.52 into 1.82 meter. You can see here the water closet and the wash basin and also shower area. You can see here the ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. We will go on the left side. So we have a room here. The size of the room is 8 feet into 8 feet 6 inches, in meter 2.43 into 2.59 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement, TV arrangement, and also two large size window for ventilation of this room. And also we have attached washroom plus water closet with this room. The size of the washroom is 8 feet into 3 feet 6 inches, in meter 2.43 into 1 meter. And we have wash basin, water closet, and the shower area, and also ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.